Way before my mommy knew it, God created me for her. Every pain He took her through it, so my mommy would be sure that in this home we were creating, there'd be no questions or debating, that my family was meant to be my mommy and me. And I know as I grow older, unfortunately the world gets colder, but my mommy is preparing me to be the change the world needs. It's mommy.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Oh, you look crazy.
Mommy, you look crazy.
Can you stop copying me?
Can you stop copying me?
If you keep doing that, then I'll leave.
You're gonna leave?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Actually, no.
Alright, so where are we?
Mexico Playa.
We're in Mexico. What city are we in Mexico?
Mexico Playa.
We're not in Playa del Carmen. We moved to Merida. Merida. So, let's give us a rundown. We moved back to Mexico because China is playing with our emotions.
For no reason!
Yes. They're playing with our emotions. Okay, so we left Playa in October because China mentioned that they reopened. We were super excited. And I got my visa. And
I didn't.
Rewind.
I know she did.
She couldn't get her visa. Pretty much. We came back, we left, blah, 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 blah. And they're like, hey, wait a minute, sis. This child cannot get a visa. So, any dependents, a husband, children.
Mom, I'm not getting a husband.
Okay, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the Chinese visa.
Okay.
Are you ready to get down?
No.
Okay, and I'm just like, you know what? We're going back to China eventually. However, it just won't be now. And I'm not able to just sit in America and wait. So we just left. We decided to come back to Mexico. So we got here today. We actually went to see about 3 apartments. And we have some more that we're going to go and see tomorrow. We have a room for about 5 days while we look for an apartment. So we will go and see some additional apartments in the next few days and make a decision. And we're excited to see what Merida has to offer. So we'll be here for at least 6 months. And after that time, we're praying that China reopens. I saw that you all loved the apartment search in Playa del Carmen, so I wanted to take you guys on our apartment search in Merida as well. Oh, it is. Come on. Hi guys. So we are on our way. We're going to go and look at another apartment. A couple of more apartments today. We saw 3 yesterday, so we're going to take you along to see these as well. right, guys, so we are back from a long day. We saw about maybe 4 to 5 apartments today, and we may have found a winner. It is a little above our budget, however it has everything that we pretty much want. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or anything that you want to see while we're here in Merida, let me know. The TV's super loud right now, so I have to go. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sailor is tired. Are you going to sleep?